Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get nails in Township. Nails in Township are essential for upgrading your barn storage capacity, and they become available once you reach level 5. The most common way to get them is by sending off trains and airplanes, as this often return with nails as rewards. You can also earn them from the House of Luck, completing zoo orders, opening sea chests, daily rewards, and event goals. The City Market Regatta Rewards and even the Yacht Club may also offer nails occasionally. If you're in a rush, you always have the option to purchase missing nails directly with T-Cash when upgrading your barn. Since storage is one of the most important parts of progressing a township, make it a habit to keep your trains and planes running, participate in events, and grab every chance to stock up nails whenever they appear. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.